Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change font on Roblox. So first up here, just need to go to our Google Chrome. So open up your Google Chrome and go to the search box, and we're gonna search for the font and click on enter. And here, click on the first link, the font, download fonts, and you will now go to the home page. So basically just need to choose here what fonts do you want to put on your Roblox. So for example, I just want to choose this Rosella. So we're gonna click on this download button at the far right, and we have to wait until it finish download. So here basically just need to click on the zip file. So open up this downloaded zip file from here. Now what we're going to do is you just need to download a Roblox application. So from here, you just need to click on the random game and click on the play button right from here, and it will now show you this option. So you're gonna download the latest version of Roblox. Now once you've downloaded this Roblox app, go to your home screen, go to the search box, type here Roblox, and then find the Roblox player, and then click on the open file location right from here, and basically it will open up this folder. Again, right click on the Roblox player and then click on this open file location. Here, go to content and go to the fonts. Now basically we just need to create a new folder from the home screen. So for example, this one, and we just have to name this as old fonts. So right here we're gonna type old fonts, and what we're going to do is we're gonna move the Arial and Arial bold font from here, and also the other fonts like the like this one, Source Sans Pro. We're gonna go here on Source Sans Pro bold, light, and the regular. So we're gonna move here on the new folder. And once you've done, you just need to go to the downloaded font, which is the Rosella. So we're gonna drag and drop and paste it to the Roblox fonts. So basically right here, we're gonna paste a 5 fonts so we can replace those 5 that we move out. So here, as you can see, what we're going to do, we just have to rename this one. Same on the fonts that we move out. So we're gonna rename to Arial and Source Sans Pro. So as you can see here, to change to Arial and Source Sans Pro, the same as the font that we move out from this folder. So that's all. That's how you basically change font on Roblox. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.